Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change a resume photo in Canva template on your mobile apps. So here I've already opened Canva on my phone and I've already at the template tab. So I'm going to start by searching for resume template. Okay, so here Canva will show you the templates of resume that you can use. Okay, so let's say I want to use this these templates right here. So on the template you can see that a random person photo is used on the template, and if you want to change it into your own photo, you can just add the photo first into Canva. So by clicking on the plus icon here, go to uploads, and you can just upload your own photo in here if you haven't. But if you already upload the photo, you can just choose the photo and then add it to the template. Okay, like this, and you can just drag it to the frame of the photo and let go, and just like that the photo has been changed to the photo that you chose. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.